Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Bereal after posting. So guys, before going to the app, make sure that you already have an account on Bereal app, and then let's go to your Bereal app. And now at first we have to post a Bereal. So I will post a Bereal now. And guys, as you can see, my Bereal is posted. Now tap on the Bereal and then tap on the three dots icon. Tap on delete my Bereal and select any option you want. Tap on yes, I'm sure, and then tap on delete. So guys, now your Bereal is deleted. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can delete a Bereal after posting very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.